come scratching at our door. We weren't stressed about lovers we had while we were on a break. We didn't cut the trees down